Welcome to the 8 types of waste in lean administration. Did you know the same types of waste from lean manufacturing also exist in the office? Let's figure out what this means and how we learn to detect and recognize waste in administration. So let's get started. The first type of waste is overproduction. This occurs whenever we produce more than we need. In this example, the sales department proceeds many different documents for the finance department. However, the only relevant document for finance is this blue-colored document. As sales does not have the information about the importance of the blue document, it proceeds more than requested by finance. The finance department, however, just looks for the relevant blue document. All other information are not relevant. We have produced overproduction at sales due to the lack of communication between the departments. The second type of waste is inventory. Whenever we have too high inventory levels, we consider this as waste. As you can see in this example, the sales department proceeds requests much quicker than finance can handle. This causes a high level of open tasks at the finance department. These open tasks are our goods in administration. As we have a high stock level of these open tasks, we have a high level of inventory. This is considered as waste in the office. The third type of waste in the office is transportation. This example is very common in the office. To transport relevant information from one department to another, we often use emails. But not just one simple email, but many emails with a lot of forwarding and people in CC. Many times with too many people in the loop which do not need all the information. The relevant email is finally received by the right department after many forwardings and loops instead of addressing the information to the right department immediately. The fourth type of waste is movement. In the office, we often face movements on our PC or laptop. As you can see here, we do a lot of clicking and scrolling to navigate through all our folders and subfolders, scrolling through endless lists of files until we finally reach the documents we were looking for. Same applies to physical documents in the office. Many times we have to go through many folders and papers until we finally find the right information we were looking for. All these activities are considered as movement and can be eliminated with the right lean tools. Before we proceed with the next type of waste in the office, we quickly give a look to the Lean Activity Office Toolbox. This Office Toolbox provides all relevant tools and instructions to identify waste in the office and to implement lean structures in administration systematically. To download the entire Lean Office Toolbox, just go to the webpage and check out the tools of Lean Administration and Lean Office. The link is also available in the description below this video. The fifth type of waste in the office is waiting time. This occurs especially whenever we have to wait for input or information from other departments until we can proceed with our task. In this example, sales needs important information from finance. We have to wait for these informations before we can proceed with our task. This is one of the most common types of waste in lean administration and can be tackled with improved communication and synchronization between the roles. The sixth type of waste is rework and defects. As you can see in this example, the documents prepared and provided by our employees did not match the scope which was requested. In this case, we have to rework our documents once again. This often occurs due to the lack of communication and whenever expectations and scopes are not communicated sufficiently. The seventh type of waste is overprocessing. This occurs in almost every company around the globe due to the lack of transparency of available information. As you can see, we have 2 employees doing the exact same work in their departments. We produced the exact same information twice as we did not know that the task, research or activity was already done by another department before. Doing things twice or several times is a common driver for overprocessing in administration and has to be eliminated. The 8th type of waste in the office is unused knowledge. In this example, the employee has many good ideas but is not able to communicate them. So how can we utilize these brilliant ideas? One common approach is the improvement board, on which ideas can be submitted and forwarded to the right person. Other strong tools to eliminate the 8th type of waste are also available in the Lean Office Toolbox and can be downloaded from leanactivity.com. Always keep in mind the importance of keeping your eyes open anytime when working in the office. Waste is hidden in all areas in which we operate. It is your task to detect waste and to have the right tools by hand to tackle it. See you next time.